Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy. Tonight, we are diving back into the world of Subway to Sally with the song. I'm going to butcher the title of this, so please forgive me. Seemannslied? Oh, I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I do apologize. But this was sent to me by a really just beautiful soul. This person has been with me since the beginning. And it's been incredible 2.5 years of getting to know them, and they become very dear to me, and they just feel music so deeply, and I love that. So they sent me this song, they translated it for me, so I was able to read the translation, and I'm excited to hear this. And it's kind of interesting. I read the lyrics of this, and it really kind of relates to something I'm currently kind of feeling. So we're going to see what this is all about. Thank you to the beautiful soul who recommended this, Alindio. And as always, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. We started this journey 2.5 years ago with one really main focus is I just wanted to sit down and listen to music. This is a very personal journey of mine. It was never meant to be about how many subscribers I get or how many views and all that. It was just, I just wanted to listen to music and connect with people. So thanks for being here. And let's go.
Schon fahr ich auf den Meeren, Wind und Woge weiß wohin, fern von allen meinen Ufern, fühl ich, dass ich traurig bin. Wind und Woge flüstern leise von dem Meer und Magellan, von den Stürmen und Gezeiten, doch ich sing dagegen an. Wer gießt Blut durch meine Adern? Wer schickt Vögel übers Meer? Ach, ich habe schon so lange heimatlos und Sehnsucht schwer. Wenn die Sterne früh verdämmen, zieht mich alles nach dem Land. Meine müden Augen bleiben stets dem Hafen zugewandt. Wenn die Segel nicht mehr glänzen, wenn die Winde nicht mehr wehen, werd ich zu dir zu kommen, über Ozeane gehen. Wer gießt Blut durch meine Adern? Wer schickt Vögel übers Meer? Ach, ich habe schon so lange heimatlos und Sehnsucht schwer. Ich komm zu dir, mein Atem, meine Hände heiß, aus meinen Augen taute das Eis. Ich komm zu dir, mein Atem, meine Hände heiß, aus meinen Augen taute das Eis. gießt Glut durch meine Adern. Wer schickt Vögel übers Meer? Ach, ich habe schon so lange voll Verlangen, schon so lange heimatlos und Sehnsucht schwer. Du gießt Glut durch meine Adern, du schickst Vögel übers Meer, baust mir Brücken zu den Ufern, schickst die Vögel übers Meer für des Seemanns Wiederkehr.
Mm. That longing in his voice was just very real feeling. That sense of longing. You know, where you feel like your heart is headed. And it's like, you can't wait to get there, but you know this is part of the journey. This was awesome, man. I loved how intimate it felt and how close it felt. There was just something very raw about this. It was really cool. I love these kind of almost not unplugged, but kind of these small moments where you can really like just feel the soul of an artist, you know. And just everything was beautiful, dude. I really loved the melody. I loved how this song flowed. I loved the chorus and just how it danced, and the lyrics, man. After reading the lyrics and then watching this, you know, we're gonna talk about love for a minute. It is so easy to long for something, and then once you have it or once it's there, it's easy to become complacent. It's easy to just take it like, and I think a lot of times we do it unintentionally. But it's still a thing that happens. And I think life and the way the world has gone, the way modern society has treated love, relationships, their standard for beauty, all of these things has really distorted the purity and the acceptance of love. You know, let's say you like somebody and somebody says, I can't believe you like them, they're ugly. Why the fuck does it matter to you? There's something about this person that draws me to them. There's something about them that makes me feel weak and strong at the same time. It doesn't fucking matter what other people's opinions are. And I think a lot of times we have to be strong in our resolve in who we love. You people can give opinions, absolutely, but that doesn't change how I feel about someone. And I think a lot of times too, a lot of us have been hurt so bad that we almost don't believe in the magic of love. I think we can get stuck in that honeymoon phase where it's like everything is just, you know, beauty and great, and then you kind of get to the phase where you start to learn about each other, you start seeing each other pissed off, and that's a very important stage because you have to learn to communicate and work together to get through that into what I think is the deep part. That's the part where, man, this person has seen you on your worst day, and they could be anywhere else and they're here with you, and they love you. And I feel like when two people have that mindset and they don't take each other for granted and they invest in that, it is incredible. You know what I mean? And this, hearing like the words to the song and just about this kind of longing and this bridge that's being built, I think love and relationships, whether romantic or not, are for the brave, because we're gonna piss off everybody. We're gonna make everybody angry, but being able to love one another through those things is, you know, I don't know, man. I just, this song was awesome. It made me think. Because I have a hard time with this modern world when it comes to love and relationships and everything, and just people in general. I try to be a very, you know, I do have compassion for people, but sometimes that compassion doesn't come out on everybody. I sometimes think not everybody deserves it. You know, there's just a lot of shitty people that can make you kind of not like the world. Fortunately, through this journey, we have discovered some really beautiful people, and there is a lot of good. So I appreciate everybody being here. Thanks for letting me rant and talk. Thank you to Lindiel for everything that he's done and what he means to me. And yeah, you know where to find me: Instagram, Facebook. You can reach out, send me music, talk life. Listen, I want you to know you're not alone. Life can be hard, it can be brutal, but you are not alone. Please keep your head up. Please know that you matter. Who you are matters. It doesn't matter what other people have said about you. And I'm sorry if people have said so many things to you that it has really kind of destroyed you, but please find yourself and find that you get to define who you are. If I let everybody who told me what they thought about me affect me, I would be not here. Stand up. Surround yourself with good people. Reach out. Listen, I'm not a therapist, but you can reach out to me. I'd love to encourage you and let you know that you're not alone, okay? So anyway, I love your face. Thanks for hanging out with me. And we'll be back with another one.